This is Allied Meditec Neptune Prime Anaesthesia Workstation. I am giving the demonstration of this machine to you. Let's start with input. Here is the input. This is for oxygen, NIST pipeline. This is for nitrous oxide, and this is for air. There are two yokes, one for oxygen and another for nitrous oxide. These are color coded. And here is the electrical input. Let's come on front side. From there you can switch on the ventilator portion, and there is a monitoring section. Click on continue. These are the softwares checking portion of the rebooting. There you can do the calibration or the circuit leak test. Before we doing the leak test, first of all I can show you the different parts of the Anaesthesia workstation. So this is a circle system, breathing system. This is the inspiratory port. This is the expiratory port. Manometer gauge for airway pressure. Bellow. APL valve. Bag vent switch. Here is a FiO2 sensor. This is the manual ventilation port, from where you can do the manual ventilation. This is our Meditec Pisces isoflurane vaporizer. There is the O2 flush button. This is changeover switch. From there you can switch to closed circuit or open circuit. If you are switching to open circuit, you can use main circuit from there. These are emergency fresh gas port. If any case the electrical parts are getting failed, that time you can use it. Just turn the knob on open, and then you can set the fresh gas from there, and you can take the output from there through the main circuit. If you want to use only oxygen or air in any surgery through nasal, you can use these flow meters for oxygen and air. We have 3 drawers in this machine. You can lock all these drawers also separately. There are 4 rolling caster wheels having brakes. Let's come to the ventilation portion. So there are the steps where you can connect the circuit according to these steps, and then do the circuit check for leak test. So let's connect in the circuit according to this. Follow these steps. First of all, we have to set the back vent switch to the vent mode. Then occlude the wipe piece from this 15 mm plug. Then fresh, give the O2 flush to fill the bellow. Then click start. After doing a leak test on ventilation mode, then next step is manual circuit leak test. You can follow these steps and then do the calibrations accordingly. That time I am skipping this. This is our ventilation window. Here first of all you can see that there are two types of patient selection. New patient for new patient, previous patient for adopting the last parameters. So we can set the new patient. From there we can set the gas flow. You can set the total flow of gas. There you can set the FiO2 reading. FiO2, according to FiO2 percentage, the other gases will be adjusted. You can use air or nitrous oxide as a mixing gas. From there you can set the ventilation mode, parameters, then click on set mode for selection. Then you can connect to the machine to the patient also. We have dual Meditec vaporizer mounting block. You can connect two vaporizers simultaneously, but use only one at a time. To remove soda lime jar, first of all we have to put the lever down, then pull it outside. Then again for installation, we can put it and then pull the lever up. After setting all the parameters, timer is there. We can set the timer. This will show the surgery timing, stop or reset. There is a leak test window in there also, auto calibration and other factory settings. There you can see the pressure of cylinders and pipelines. Then you have to start the ventilation. In this screen you can see the flow. As I have set the nitrous oxide as a mixing gas, if I switch it to the air, then it will be automatically adjusted. There is a pressure graph and pressure readings, volume graph and volume readings, flow graph and flow readings, FiO2 percentage, frequency. There I can get the loop also, flow versus pressure and pressure versus volume. If you don't want to see the loops, we can click it there. Then on loops we have the parameter window also, where we can get the compliance, resistance and IE ratio. If you want to set the alarm limits of any other parameter like pressure, volume and flow, just click on that waveform, then go to the alarm limit section, or from there you can also select the get the loop also, flow versus pressure and pressure versus volume. If you don't want to see the loops, we can click it there. Then on loops we have the parameter window also, where we can get the compliance, resistance and IE ratio. If you want to set the alarm limits of any other parameter like pressure, volume and flow, just click on that waveform, then go to the alarm limit section, or from there you can also select the type of parameter, volume or airway pressure, and there you can set the alarms. Let's come to the vital parameter monitor.